Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do exercise 1.2 question number 5. Before that we have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 for exercise 1.2, and prior to that we have done exercise number 1 of chapter number 1. Okay, so let's begin. The question is, oh wait a minute. Okay. So the question is, find the transpose of each of the following matrices. So to do this question, we first need to understand what do we mean? What does it mean by transpose of a matrix? Okay. So here I have found this out, that what is transpose of a matrix. Okay. This one. Transpose of a matrix. Let me read it first. Transpose of a matrix A, matrix obtained by interchanging the rows into columns or columns into rows of a matrix, is called transpose of that matrix. Okay, so if we have a matrix and we interchange its rows into columns, or we interchange its columns into rows, then that obtained matrix by interchanging the rows and columns will be called transpose of a matrix. Okay, so if A is a matrix, then its transpose is denoted by A transpose. A superscript transport, actually it is A transport in this way. If A is a matrix and we interchange its rows or columns, then it will be called what? A transpose. Okay. Okay. So for better understanding, we will solve these questions one by one. Here, let's do this. We will write it 0, 1, minus A transpose, B transpose. For this method, we will go into 5, 1, minus. Okay, it's not that clear. I'll do it again. B transpose 5, 1, and minus. Okay, this is B. Now we will do C transpose. Here, transpose will be equal to this row column will be interchanged to the row 1, 2, 3. Now this column 2 minus 1, 0. Here we have interchanged the columns into rows. If we will do it in other way, by interchanging the rows into columns, then we will get this one 1, 2. Then second row will be interchanged to the second column 2 minus 1. Then third row 3, 0. Same answer. Okay. Obviously the transpose will be the same. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 3, 0. Okay. Talking about these. Whether we interchange rows to columns or we interchange columns into rows, it doesn't matter. Transpose matrix. Okay. Okay. So let us do other three matrices. Here D, D transpose, we'll find D. We will increase 2, 3, 0, 5. Then E transpose. E trans 2 3 2. Okay, 2 2 3 and minus 4 5. This is E transpose. Now we have F. We will find F transpose. F transpose will be 1 2. So 1 2, and then second row will be interchanged to the column 3 4. So this is the way we find transpose of a matrix. I hope you have got the concept and all the questions are clear, all the parts of this question number 5. But still, if you have any query or question, then you can comment down and ask me anything, any confusion. I won't mind it. Okay. Let me repeat this for you. I'll just do it quickly. We had a question that we have to find the transpose of each of the following matrices. What is the transpose? I explained that transpose of a matrix is the matrix which we obtain by interchanging the rows into columns or columns into rows. And one by one, we did all the parts, all these matrices A, B, F. We found it A transpose, transpose, C transpose, B transpose, E transpose, and F transpose. For A transpose, what did we do? We just this whole column into 0 1 minus 2. It was a column. We made it 0 1 minus 2. It became a row, and A transpose. Okay. For B transpose, we did it. We interchanged whole row into the column 5 1 minus 6. Then for C transpose, what did we do? We did this rows into column, rows into column. 1 2, it became the first column. Then 2 minus 1, second row became the second column. 3 0, third row became the third column. Then for other three parts, D 2 3 for the first, and 0 5 in the column. And E transpose 2 3 became the first column, minus 4 5 became the second column. Then F transpose 1 2 1 2 became the first, this 1 2, this whole became the first column by interchanging this row into the column. Then 3 4 was the second row, and it became the 3 4 became the second column for F transpose. Okay, so this was the today's lecture. Still, if you have any query or any question, any type of question, you can ask me, you can comment down. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.